at how glowy. I have not applied anything. I just applied a little Vaseline on my lips, but I have not applied anything on my cheeks. And can you see the glow? Like, I have literally not applied any moisturizer, nothing, because I wanted to show you guys how nice and gorgeous does my skin look. It's like so plump, it's so soft. Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. Today I'm here with my Starry Night shirt because I need to do some skincare. Yes, this is a skincare like facial video, facial for Eid. Basically, Eid is coming, Eid al-Fitr. You know, after Ramadan there is like Eid, Muslim celebrated. We take the prep really seriously. Honestly, we do take the prep really seriously. So I wanted to do a prep with you guys because I do make a Sunday skincare video, as you all know. Mostly it's live. It has not been on the channel since like last 2 weeks, but I thought that I would come up here and make a video of the whole skincare so that we can still have a Sunday skincare, but this is the Eid edition. So without further ado, let's begin with our video. Do watch the whole video till the end because I am going to tell you a very important step that is going to make your skin as smooth and shiny as a glass. So keep on watching. So first step is first, we are going to remove some of the facial hair. Yes, we are going to do that. I also have to dye my hair, which I will do like on Monday hopefully, because it's on the 11th. The Eid is on the 11th or 12th, but I'm hoping on the 11th. So on Monday I am going to do my hair dye because I do it differently. So I'm hoping that I will make a video of that as well because somebody requested it. So I will try to make a video of that as well, but right now I'm making a video of skin prep, coming back to that. So first thing is first, we are going to remove our facial hair. So I'm going to do some threading, upper lips, eyebrows, and then the whole face. I actually remove my hair using a thread, especially not the whole face, just the upper lips, and my eyebrows I use a thread. So let's do that. So upper lips are done, and now for my eyebrows. If you want a detailed video of how I make my eyebrows, then do let me know in the comment box and I will make a full detailed video of that as well. But right now let's do it in a rush. Eyebrows sorry, eyebrows and upper lips are nearly done. So I am just going to, I still have to do a little bit of like plugging with tweezers. Unfortunately, I left it in the other room and I'm in no mood to go and get it. I will do it later on because I will have to tweak a little before the final day, that like Eid, because obviously these two parts grow like wild bushes. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead with the rest of the face. So for the rest of the face, I never use blades. People use blades and people have different opinions about them, like your hair don't grow thicker and blah blah blah, but I don't trust blades on my face. I can't, honestly I can't. So and waxing I can't still. What I use is this. This is an epilator I bought like ages ago. This is a Philips one. So I use an epilator on my face. That's weird because this is not a face epilator, this is a body one, which I normally use on my arms and you know on my body. But no, people don't use it on their face, but I use it on my face because I don't want to buy a separate one, and plus that the face ones, they're like very small and it takes ages to remove your hair. This does it like in minutes. So let's do it. It's gonna be loud, so I'm going to mute this part so that you guys don't hear any gur like you can hear. Let me turn it on. So let's begin. There's a lot of hair over here, you can't see it. Oh my god, there's a lot of dusty hair over here. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I can tell with my hand that this is like a lot smoother, and I think you do feel like it's a bit clearer than this, maybe, but yes, there was a lot of like, I have a lot of fluff on my face, not like a lot of hair but a lot of fluff. So let's do the rest of the face. I'll do the rest of the face and I'll come back. Okay, so I have done, like, I'm done with all of the hair removal. I've done that, like all of my face is done, and now I'm going to go ahead with the next step, which is cleansing my face. Like, I already washed it with soap and with like a hair, like face wash. I've already done that. Then I took the hair off and now I'm going to cleanse it. How am I going to cleanse it? I'm going to cleanse it with milk, and I'm going to take a pad, like a cotton pad. So you're going to dip it into milk just squeeze it out like this. Okay, and now you're going to cleanse your face with it. I've taken cold milk from the fridge. Milk is a very good thing. Like, it is a very good cleanser, and it definitely cleanses your face. I never forget my neck. We've done with the cleansing, and now we're going to go ahead to the second step. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this mask to my face. For this mask, I have taken nearly like 1-ish teaspoon of milk, and now I'm adding a little like tomato juice. Tomato juice has bleaching properties. This is going to be good for your skin as well. I've taken the small cherry tomato, just squeezed it out, and I'm adding nearly like 3/4 spoon of rice flour in it, and just mix it all into a very thin paste. So this is how thick your paste should be. Not too thick, not too thin. So let's go ahead and apply it. Just remember to apply it in very like thin layer. We don't want a very thick layer on our base. So there you go. Try to take very finely milled rice flour. It is available in the market as well. This is really good for hyperpigmentation. For as I said, tomato has bleaching properties, so it is really good. Rice is really good for hyperpigmentation, getting rid of it. It's a very good exfoliating mask. You can apply it to your neck as well. Okay, now I'm going to let it dry for a bit, and trust me, it is not going to take long. So let's meet after, like, it will dry like instantly, but I'm going to leave it on my face for like about 5 to 10 minutes. So let's meet after 10 minutes. You have to watch how I remove it, because that's also another step that you don't want to miss. Now it has been 10 minutes and it has dried a lot, like all over the face. Now how am I going to remove it? I'm going to take this coconut oil. You can buy any brand, anything. This is really good. So I'm going to take a little on my finger. This is a very hydrating oil as well. Just apply it on the palm of your hand and rub it so that it melts. It will melt like instantly. You will see it melting. Do you see? It's already melted. Now spread it nicely all over your hand, your fingers, and start to scrub it off in circular motions like this. Do you see this? You see this? All the dead skin is nicely all coming off. Remember to keep something underneath you. I do have a tray here, so nothing falls down. You see this? This is the dead skin coming off. Now I'm taking just a towel, a wet towel, and I'm just going to remove all of it from my face. Do you see this? This is, wow, a glowy, and this is like so soft. The skin is like, wow, it feels so soft. Wow. Okay, I love this scrub. It's so soft. I can feel it, so soft. I'm not finished. Let's go ahead with the next step. So the next, and most probably the last, it is the last. The last step is to apply this gorgeous honey. You can take any honey. I would prefer that you take a good quality one. So I'm going to take not more than 1 teaspoon of honey, and I'm going to start applying it with the help of my finger on my face. Honey is so good for your skin. It is antibacterial. It stops the breakouts. It is really soothing. I cannot just say that it has one benefit. It has a lot of benefits. So I'm just gonna apply this. It is very hydrating. It hydrates your skin a lot. It's a very hydrating one. So I'm not gonna apply it on my neck. Just gonna take it on my face. Keep it to my face. Okay, so this is done, guys. You can see that how nicely I put this liquid gold on my face, and I'm going to keep it on my face for 10 minutes. So see you after 10 minutes. So guys, I am back after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I just went and washed the whole honey off. I applied a little on my neck as well. You can clearly see the difference at how nice my neck and my face are looking. I will try to upload it before and an after, so you can see the difference at how glowy. I have not applied anything. I just applied a little Vaseline on my lips, but I have not applied anything on my cheeks. And can you see the glow? Like, I have literally not applied any moisturizer, nothing, because I wanted to show you guys how nice and gorgeous does my skin look. It's like so plump, it's so soft, and it's like amazing. Like I feel amazing, it looks amazing. I am not going to apply any makeup because I want you guys to see the results, and you can clearly see that how glowy and fresh do I look. So guys, do try this out, this mask out, this Eid or whatever occasion you want to try it for. Remember, your makeup is not going to look good until and unless your skin underneath looks good. So do pay attention to skin prep before any big occasion or before you decide to put your makeup on. Oh my god, I so love my skin. I have a mirror here and I can like, I'm all shiny so I love it. Yes guys, so do try it out guys. Do let me know how it works for you, the whole mask and everything is available in the market. The honey, the rice powder, you can find everything very easily. Coconut oil I took because it is the most hydrating oil, so it will hydrate your skin as well. My skin is very sensitive, so I can bear them all, so I'm hoping that you all will be okay as well with all of these. So guys, I'm going to sign off now. Next video is going to be my Eid makeup look or Eid makeup video, and this was obviously skin prep. So do let me know that before an occasion what kind of skin prep do you go into. And yes, with this I am definitely going to sign out guys. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye, love you. Anyway, क्या समझ रही हूँ मैं?